Collective Dream is a digital networked research tool that lets people who are in remote locations take part in co-design activities together. In this project, the digital tool provides the means for people to first imagine an ideal learning experience individually, and then work collaboratively to create a shared ideal experience. Generative design researchers use various methods to learn from people in the front-end of design process in order to gain insights and provoke new ideas. Most of these methods require people to be together physically during research workshops. This research explores the possibility of such collaboration through a virtual space that could be accessed across time and place. An iterative approach was taken to develop and user test a series of prototype tools moving from paper to digital prototypes to the network digital tool that was tested. We explored and prototyped how players would physically interact with the touchscreen device and the game rules that would govern how they engage with the system and each other. While developing the prototype, we asked people to imagine an ideal learning experience. This was the theme that helped us pick the digital collaging icons and words that the participants would use in the Collective Dream prototype. In the final Collective Dream space, each player has a home where they can now create an expression of their ideal learning experience, choosing from a large set of icons and words. They can also explore the rest of the dream space and visit other players' home worlds. There, they can collect new icons and make connections with other players. Everyone has a local chat option so they can communicate with players around them. If they do make a connection with another player, a shared world is created that allows them to build together. All of these design decisions were made to guide the players to successfully create, explore, and co-create remotely over a shared network. This created a living system of player perspectives and ideals that evolved in real time across time and place. All the players successfully completed both an individual and shared version of their ideal learning experience. Many of the players described the experience as being fun and playful. In their personal worlds, the players' actions varied from being intentional to sometimes improvisational. However, in the shared world, all the players were highly improvisational and spontaneous. Our next step is to test the prototype on a larger scale with online players to understand how the group dynamics and interaction between people is affected.